Alright guys, so today we're going to remove the panel on the car stereo. And if you want to replace your car stereo, this is how you're gonna do it. So I'm gonna use my panel remover here. So I'm just gonna slide this one out through the edges if I can. Well, I'm gonna start here and just slide it. Then slide it on the side. Same on the other side. There you go. Don't force it as much as possible. So I hope I didn't break anything in there. So if you heard that again. So just don't force it if you can't. If you don't want to break, I'm not responsible if you break your panels. But yeah, so let me try this. This is a little hard. Having a hard time on this side. There you go. I hope. There you go. So, and then just the harness for the clock. Just unplug that. There you go. And just easily remove it. So, and then it's being held by 4 10mm screws. So then just pull it out. So I'm not really gonna remove it right now. I'm waiting for my head unit to arrive. So yeah, so Joying, well, I reached out to Joying and they gave me % discount on their head unit for me to try out. And yep, I'm waiting for that. So this is how you remove it. So yep, I hope this helps. Alright, see you in my next video. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you.